Hey guys, today we're going to unbox a new laptop. This one is the ASUS Zenbook. The really cool thing about this laptop is that it actually has two 14-inch touch displays. We chose this particular laptop for home use, and it comes with 16 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. Plenty souped up for browsing the internet, watching videos, going on Zoom, and managing documents and spreadsheets. So this is the laptop. Let's take a quick look at all the ports you get. We've got one HDMI port here plus an audio jack. And around back, we have some vents to help keep the laptop cool. On the bottom, we have a kickstand that we can fold out so we can have the laptop sit at an angle instead of flat on the table. And here we've got the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi indicators along with a USB power port, which is actually to charge up the keyboard, which we'll show you in more detail in a sec. We also have more cooling vents along the side. And then here we have two more USB-C ports plus a USB-A port. Now we're going to go ahead and open up the laptop to reveal the two screens. And here's a detachable keyboard that it comes with. This is the bottom of the keyboard, and these are the pins we need to line up to the bottom screen. And take a look at how thin this keyboard is. And as mentioned earlier, this is where you charge the keyboard. Okay, so we'll go ahead and show you the rest of the accessories. First up is the power adapter. Look how tiny it is. And there's a USB-C port on one end. And then here's the charging cable, USB-C to USB-C. And here's a plug, and I really don't understand why it comes as a separate piece, but here's where you would connect it to the power adapter. In a follow-up video, we'll come back and show you the different ways you can set up the screens and keyboard.